guys, I'm Michaela. Welcome back to my channel. I have my mother with me. Hi. And today we're going to do a mukbang or a mukbang. I don't know how to pronounce it, but basically you just like eat an overly amount of food and you do whatever, you know? But we're going to do it a little twist. So, oh my gosh, there's a hair on the camera. That's gross. We're going to do a Q&A while we eat. And like people on Instagram, I asked them to ask me questions. So we have quite a few questions, and she's opposed to eating with her mouth open, but like in mukbangs you can be messy. So if we do it, don't judge us, but I don't think she's going to do it, but mostly me. But anyways, make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. I made her do that. And hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And yeah, let's just get it. So you can start eating if you want. Okay. And I'm going to pick a question. I put all of the questions like on these little pieces of paper so we wouldn't know which one's which. Or like, yeah, okay, so I'll pick the first one. Oh my gosh, this would be the first one. Okay. Oh, and I just want to thank you guys for for asking us questions. I appreciate you. Okay, one of the questions. What's something your mom doesn't know about you? Yeah. Oh my gosh. I feel like she knows everything because I tell her everything. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. I can't think of anything. Oh. Okay, so sophomore year, there's this thing called My Yearbook, and it's like, it was like a generic MySpace. You do? Why do you know that?
I have one.
What? Why?
It's old.
I'm not talking about MySpace.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sophomore year, I had a secret boyfriend named Michael. I'm not going to say his last name. And I went on a date to the movies with Myra and him. And I didn't talk to him the whole time. He was really weird.
Wow.
It was like a 2-week thing.
What did you do? Tell me that you were just going with Myra?
Probably.
I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
Did I drop you off?
No, Myra's mom did.
Wow.
Shout out to you, Myra. Okay, you drama. That was a juicy one. Oh. Also, if you guys can't, I'm sure you can see what we're eating, but we have chicken fajitas in here, but we wrapped them like little burritos, and then we just have like rice and chicken salsa. Okay.
Okay, what was your mom's best memory with you as a child?
Yeah.
I have so many.
What's your best?
It's not really like a specific memory, but just in general, that you were just like so confident and kind of sassy, talkative, but sometimes that's overwhelming, just like you are now. Her poor brother would like say, "Are you done?" He wants a turn to talk because she wouldn't stop talking the whole time. Yeah. So I loved that. It was so cute just to like watch you play. You would like entertain yourself and play, and it was just like fun to watch you play.
Aww, so cute.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get this one. Why are you both so cute? What? I don't know. Just, no.
Personality.
Good genes and good personality. Yeah. Okay, your turn.
Favorite YouTuber? Michaela Brown, of course.
It's Michaela Kelcey.
Michaela Kelcey.
Uh-oh. That's awkward.
Yeah.
It's like when your waitress or waiter's bringing you your food and you just took a bite and you're like...
Or the dentist.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, I'm not eating.
Are we still recording? Yeah. What is your dream house layout? And this could be like for both. We could both answer.
It'll take you forever.
It would take me forever. But basically, I want a white house with blue trimming and blue shutters around the window. And I'm kind of like farmhouse glam. That's my vibe. I like grays and like blush pinks and like light blue decor. But I feel like my house would be like white and gray, mainly like the furniture and like the kitchen and stuff, but like with pops of like baby pink, baby blue.
I could see that being you.
Yeah.
Mine would be like in the woods. And like, but close to the ocean.
Hmm.
Both. It would be like kind of.
That's not a layout, that's the location.
Oh. Well. What do I like?
You like farmhouse modern.
Yeah. I like that.
Do you have like a preference for the outside? There's like Victorian, traditional.
Not Victorian.
No.
Not traditional.
Then what? Modern?
No, modern doesn't go with farmhouse. I don't know what it's called.
Just like
Country type, like.
That's kind of traditional then, I feel like.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's how I would like my outside to be too. I don't like modern homes. Well, I like them, but like not for my taste, you know. Okay,
My turn. That was long.
I know.
Okay. Favorite form of self-care?
That could be for both.
Yeah. Mine's definitely like singing and worship and stuff like that. That's the best self-care for me.
Mine would be bubble baths. Well, like just like pampering myself, and also just like writing. Yeah. What's your ideal first date?
Don't you have to answer it?
We both do.
Oh. It depends if you already know the person. 'Cause what if it's like...
Well, it'd be a first date.
Yeah. So,
But I guess you could know somebody and it could be a first date still.
Yeah. Like if you were
But just like, let's just make
talking
time.
for a long, long time.
Let's, for this example, let's do like just like first date straight up. Like let's say you only talk to this person for like 2 weeks or something. Like you met them on an app or something.
Like have yogurt or something.
Yogurt? That's cute. I feel like I would, like I love the movies, but I wouldn't pick a movie because you can't talk to them.
No.
But I wouldn't want to eat like dinner because what if I eat ugly and then it's like, I mean, they gotta love me for me, but still, it's just like, what if I have food in my teeth and they didn't tell me?
I think somewhere public for sure. So
Yeah.
it could be crazy.
Yeah, they could be like a
try to
serial
kidnap or
killer. Yeah, that's
something.
true.
Oh, my turn.
You haven't even ate your fajita.
Well, Mom's favorite eyeshadow palette.
Your mom.
My mom?
No, your mom. Like you are mom. So what's your favorite
what's mine?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know names of palettes and stuff like that.
But like, do you have one that you just always use or something?
Natural colors. I don't know what the brand is.
Okay. Oh my gosh. How well do we get along? I mean, you could kind of tell probably that we get along pretty well. I would say we're best friends. I mean, she's my best friend. Yeah. Am I your best friend?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bicker sometimes too. So
yeah, like we get annoyed with each other always. Not always, but like we have like our little fights. Like we just had one while we were making this dinner. But
we got over it too.
yeah. So, but we get along like super well. Like I feel like we actually genuinely enjoy each other's company.
Dream vacation.
It's
kind of hard. How do you know your dream if you've never been there? You know, so.
I feel like what's somewhere you'd like always wanted to go?
Somewhere tropical.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be basic and say Hawaii, but I've never been there.
Hawaii is kind of basic, but it's also like. I feel like it's basic because so many people love it because it's like obviously
somewhere islandy.
Islandy.
Yeah.
I would do like somewhere islandy too, or I really want to go to Ireland, but I feel like what
You would.
why?
Buy me a ginger.
I love gingers. But oh my gosh, I'm blushing. But I think I would pick tropical before I would pick Ireland. Because I feel like I gotta be like well traveled before I like go to Ireland, you know? Okay, I'm just making sure we're still recording. Okay.
Turn.
Oh, my turn. No? Oh yeah. Okay. Why don't you watch Game of Thrones?
Me?
just both of I don't watch it either.
I don't even know what it is, honestly.
Oh my gosh, yes you do. Really intend to watch it.
Is it like a fighting type thing? Or?
It's like a dragon thing, and like,
Oh.
it's like a thing. I've never seen it, so I can't really tell you what it's about.
My time is valuable, and I have to limit.
That's not why we don't watch it. We, like, at a time we went to get into it, but we don't have, like, Showtime or whatever channel comes on. Oh, like, I think we have the channel, but it never shows the whole entire... I don't know, okay? Like, it's not on Netflix, so... Okay, your turn.
Okay. Zodiac signs. I'm a Libra.
I feel like you're not.
I think I know.
Do you? No.
Yes, I do.
Do you?
It's like sapphire, dark blue, Libra. Yeah.
Sapphire dark blue? Is that your birthstone?
Mhm.
That's not the same thing. What is a Libra? Like, what are their things? I don't remember. Do you know? Like, what are your main...
I don't know.
Like, what are your characteristics?
Great. I don't know. I don't remember, honestly.
Oh.
Not really.
I'm a Leo. And we're, like, stubborn, but smart, and, like, sassy and fiery, like a lion.
That's about right.
Yeah. Is it my turn? What's your favorite, like, auntie or niece story? Like, being an aunt, or, like, something that a niece has done?
I have too many.
Just, like, pick, it doesn't have to be, like, your favorite, but just pick, like, one of your, like, that was, like, really, like, a good memory that, like, you remember of them.
Probably with my first nephew, because he was kind of like my little brother. So I would take him everywhere, take him to the mall on the bus and stuff like that. But everyone thought he was my kid, so they'd give me dirty looks. But he wasn't my kid. So that was like the favorite, because he was like my little brother.
Mm-hmm.
Do you go or?
Yeah. Okay, so my favorite memory, I feel like I have so many with Prim and Petal because they're just like, hello. But my favorite, well, okay, I can't say it's my favorite,
Yeah.
but one of my favorites, oh my gosh, we were sitting on her floor in the living room. We were eating ice cream together, and she looked at me, and she goes, "You're my best friend." And I wanted to cry. I was like, "You're my best friend, too."
So that was Petal, obviously.
Yeah. You were there. Yeah.
I thought I was jealous, but
I know, I was like, "Are you okay?" But she's like, "Yeah, I'm happy for you." And I was thinking, if it was reversed, I'd be jealous.
Okay. What are your bargain secrets?
Oh, so like getting good deals and stuff.
Oh, okay.
What did you think?
I don't know. That was some slang thing. Looking at the clearance rack and stuff like that. Getting emails from stores that have
Thrifting.
coupons.
Stuff.
Yeah. For sure.
And like looking for coupons before you go shopping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, your turn.
Oh my gosh. What are the best memories you have together? We have together. What? You have one? Singing? In the car?
Yeah.
Cheetah Girls? Yeah. That was a good time.
Remember when Jessica went and we made her sing too?
Yeah. We made a lot of people do that.
Yeah. And they had fun.
Yeah, it was so fun.
Fun.
I know. I feel like we have like a lot.
I know.
Like, bike rides used to be one of my favorite things.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. What?
Who do you love more, Kayla, Nana, or Laura?
This is for both of us, not just me. You go first.
They're all equal. No. That's my answer, and I'm sticking to it.
I love them equally too, but like for different reasons. Like I love them all as best friends in like different ways. If that makes sense. Like they all give me different things out of a friendship, so I can't say I love anyone more than the other one. What's your favorite food?
Like, type of food or anything?
Anything, like,
Mexican.
okay, but like, from Mexico, like, what would you choose? She always switches it up. She's not like a favorite kind of gal.
No.
Not like me. Like, I'm very specific.
You are.
But she's not.
I'm just like, and it's food. You gotta eat to survive. Probably fajitas.
Yeah, you haven't taken a bite.
What's the best part of your life so far?
Go ahead. I'm just like making the answer first.
Best part of my life so far, just all the blessings around me. Like, I could choose to be negative and think about sad things, but I'm so blessed.
Yeah.
So that's the best part, just thinking of any bad situation that I've gone through and realizing that I turned out better because of it. That's the best part.
Yeah. I would agree. I would say, like, yeah, just like how strong we are, you know? And like the stuff we went through. And also the people in our life. Like our family. Yeah.
It's almost done, don't worry.
Oh. Who's your biggest inspiration and why?
That's a hard question. Inspiration.
Yeah, like who inspires you?
So many people like little things from here and there. Like you said about your friends. One thing you like about one person that inspires you. One little thing. I mean, it's like even speakers on TV and people everywhere you go. I don't
Who's
have
your
a specific.
biggest inspiration?
We just said I don't have
well, that was the question.
Okay, Joyce Myers. There you go. Don't say it.
What?
Don't say Ariana Grande.
Oh my gosh, I so was not going to say that.
Oh.
I was going to say you.
Aww.
That's like always been my answer. I feel like you're like the coolest person I know.
Okay. Don't make me cry.
That's
so sweet.
Yeah.
No, a little girl in my class today was asking about a song from her, and I'm like, I don't know, but my daughter would know. Anyway.
What does that have to do with inspired?
It was Ariana Grande's song.
Oh, okay.
Mom's Fave Foundation.
You have one.
It Cosmetics.
It's like the It Cosmetics by Pores. Yeah. Laura asked those ones. She's weird. What is the type of love I deserve? Wait, and then we could do it like vice versa. Like, what's the type of love you think I deserve, and then for you?
I think for both of us the same. Unconditional.
Yeah.
I think love, you should both like thrive to please each other in a relationship.
And like
that's the best.
Yeah, and I feel like you should constantly like want to grow together too, and like make each other even better. That's the kind of love I think we can have.
Unconditional.
Yeah.
Someone that's fighting to want to show their love all the time to you, and then you do the same. Where do you plan to be in 10 years? I'll be old.
I will too.
Where do I plan to be? I don't know. Healthier. More financially stable. Still spending time with my grandkids and family. That's my plan.
Yeah. Mine is to be financially stable as well. To be married, have my own house, like own a house, have children, and be healthy. There we go. Yep. Ooh, we're almost done. What's my favorite foundation, you ask? The Rimmel London 25-hour breathable foundation. That's a long name.
Last one. Woo! Fave part of Mean Girls. You can't say with us.
That's your best part?
Yeah.
My favorite part is when Karen goes, do you want to go to Taco Bell? And then Regina's like, no, I can't eat carbs. You're so stupid. And then like, yeah, that whole scene is just funny. That's him. You didn't even eat anything. Okay, so we are all done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will leave it like right here. And yeah, that's it. Leave something in the comments below if you guys want more videos with us together. You seem to like those like way more than you like videos with just me for some reason. But if you have any like suggestions on videos we can do together, I was thinking we could do the whisper challenge. I feel like that'd be super funny. I've had to explain to her what that video is like 10 times.
Maybe 3.
4 probably, yeah. So yeah, leave them down below, or you like on my Instagram or something if you can think of any suggestions for us. Bye.